Pay, meaning to give money in exchange for goods or services. Synonyms: remunerate, compensate, settle. Sentence: you need to pay the bill before you leave the restaurant. Slope, meaning a surface of which one end or side is at a higher level than another. A rising or falling surface. Synonyms: incline, gradient, ramp. Sentence: the kids love to sled down the steep slope in the winter. Fish, meaning a limbless cold-blooded vertebrate animal with gills and fins living wholly in water. Synonyms: aquatic animal, sea creature. Sentence: they went to the lake to fish for trout. Shot, meaning an attempt to hit a target with a projectile such as a bullet or an arrow. Synonyms: attempt, try, strike. Sentence: he took a shot at the basketball hoop and scored. Intensive, meaning concentrated on a single area or subject or into a short time. Very thorough or vigorous. Synonyms: thorough, exhaustive, concentrated. Sentence: she attended an intensive language course to improve her Spanish. Shy, meaning being reserved or having or showing nervousness or timidity in the company of other people. Synonyms: timid, bashful, introverted. Sentence: he is very shy and tends to avoid large social gatherings. Fool, meaning a person who acts unwisely or imprudently. A silly person. Synonyms: idiot, simpleton, nincompoop. Sentence: don't be a fool, wear your helmet when riding a bike. Regime, meaning a government, especially an authoritarian one. Synonyms: government, administration, authority. Sentence: the new regime promised to bring about significant reforms. Suicide, meaning the act of intentionally causing one's own death. Synonyms: self-destruction, self-murder, taking one's life. Sentence: awareness programs aim to prevent suicide and provide support for those in need. Sailor, meaning A person whose job it is to work as a member of the crew of a commercial or naval ship or boat. Synonyms: seafarer, mariner, crew member. Sentence: the sailor navigated the ship through the stormy seas. Cent. Meaning: a monetary unit equal to 1/100th of a dollar, euro, or other decimal currency unit. Synonyms: penny, coin. Sentence: he found a shiny cent on the sidewalk. Password. Meaning: a secret word or phrase that must be used to gain admission to a place. Synonyms: code, passphrase, security key. Sentence: make sure your password is strong to protect your online accounts. Objection. Meaning: an expression or feeling of disapproval or opposition. A reason for disagreeing. Synonyms: protest, dissent, dispute. Sentence: she raised an objection to the new policy at the meeting. Mail. Meaning: letters and packages conveyed by the postal system. Synonyms: post, correspondence, letters. Sentence: I received an important letter in the mail today. Bus. Meaning: a large motor vehicle carrying passengers by road, typically one serving the public on a fixed route and for a fare. Synonyms: coach, shuttle, transit. Sentence: she takes the bus to work every morning. Chart. Meaning: a sheet of information in the form of a table, graph, or diagram. Synonyms: graph, table, diagram. Sentence: the chart shows the company's sales growth over the past year. Accommodate. Meaning: to provide lodging or sufficient space for. Synonyms: house, lodge, shelter. Sentence: the hotel can accommodate up to 300 guests. Infer. Meaning: deduce or conclude information from evidence and reasoning rather than from explicit statements. Synonyms: deduce, conclude, interpret. Sentence: from her expression, he could infer that she was not happy with the decision. Melody. Meaning: a sequence of single notes that is musically satisfying. A tune. Synonyms: tune, harmony, air. Sentence: the melody of the song was stuck in her head all day. Miss. Meaning: fail to hit, reach, or come into contact with something aimed at. Synonyms: overlook, skip, fail. Sentence: if you blink, you might miss the shooting star. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.